Welcome back. Today we are diving into the Infinix Note 40 Pro with its stunning AMOLED display, powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset and a host of other exciting features. This smartphone has definitely caught our attention. First of all, let us talk about the display. Infinix Note 40 Pro sports a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2436 pixel with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz and a maximum brightness of 1300 nits. The display delivers crisp visual and vibrant colors, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday uses. Now let us talk about the performance. Under the hood, the Note 40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or streaming content, this device handles it all with ease. Plus, with support for 5G connectivity, you can enjoy blazing fast download and upload speed wherever you go. Now let us talk about photography. The Infinix Note 40 Pro features a versatile triple camera setup including a massive 108 megapixels main sensor, a 2 megapixels deep sensor and a 2 megapixels macro lens. Whether you are catching stunning landscape or detailed close up, this smartphone delivers impressive result every time, and with features like book mode and pro mode you can unleash your creativity and capture the perfect shot. Battery life is always a concern for smartphone users, but fear not because the Infinix Note 40 Pro has you covered. With its massive 5000 mAh battery and support for 45-watt fast charging, you can get all day on a single charge, and thanks to wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities, you can power up your devices on the go. When it comes to connectivity, the Note 40 Pro has everything you need and more. From Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 to GPS, NFC, and even an infrared port, this smartphone keeps you connected to the world around you. Plus, with dual SIM support and a dedicated micro SD card slot, you can easily expand your storage and stay connected wherever you go. 40 Pro offers a compelling combination of performance features and affordability, make it a standout choice in the crowd mid-range smartphone market. Whether you are a gaming enthusiast, a photography buff, or a multitasking pro, this device has something for everyone. So why wait? Upgrade to the Infinix Note 40 Pro today and experience the future of smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.